If you were with us in the 4 o'clock hour, Amanda made a good point with our forecast going forward. Let's one thing at a time. There's a lot to talk about.
One day at a time.
I will have Amanda in my head as I do this forecast.
One 12-hour block at a time, I guess you could say.
So much. It's almost like you need a scorecard to keep track of what's going to go on.
This is done, and then on to the next one.
Exactly. We're going to start with the snow that's out there tonight. It's getting close, snowing now in parts of southwestern New Hampshire and central Massachusetts. Perhaps a few flakes beginning to get into southern York County. Otherwise, the clouds have thickened up for sure. We'll go hour by hour through tonight. And it is cold, well below freezing. So once you do see a little light snow, it will coat the roads. But I don't think this comes in fast and furious. So if you have plans through the first part of the evening, just be aware a few slippery spots will be out there. It does look like the snow will kind of congeal and form a steadier band over the mid-coast and down east during the middle of the night and very early hours of tomorrow morning. And that's why we think a few inches are likely within this zone here. The rest of us, a coating to an inch, should do it tonight. This is out of here tomorrow morning, and we actually briefly get into the upper 30s to near 40 during the middle of the day tomorrow. Tomorrow, late day and early evening, a snow shower or squall is possible. These could drop a quick accumulation where they do hit, but not everybody will see one. And the temperatures take a step back for Friday. Single digits and teens in the morning, afternoon highs generally in the 20s on Friday, teens up north. And as the next shot of cold comes down Friday night, a somewhat higher chance for a snow shower or squall Friday afternoon. I'm a little more concerned about these because it will be colder, and these could drop a coating to an inch as they come in and introduce the Arctic air for the weekend. These are the weekend temperatures, not including the wind chill. And the wind chill is going to be a factor, particularly Saturday morning. There is an extreme cold watch up for the mountains and up north. Wind chills there could be minus 20 to even minus 40. First thing Saturday morning, and along the coastline, perhaps as low as minus 20 as well. And during what should be the warmest part of the day, wind chills still below zero statewide. So this is the type of cold over the weekend that even for the hardiest of Mainers, you're gonna have to take it easy, just dress appropriately, remember the pets, and if you have pipes that are sensitive to extreme cold outbreaks, that's something to remember for this weekend too. Beyond that, the cold is in place. However, a storm system forms on the battle zone between the cold and the warmth to our south over the weekend. There has been some trend north in its track for Sunday night into Monday. Initially, it looked like it would travel far enough south we would miss a lot of the snow. The trend has been closer, so the odds for accumulating snow Sunday night into Monday are going up. How close, though, still a bit too far out to determine that, so we'll keep you posted. Seas tomorrow, 5 to 8 feet with a southwesterly wind, 20 to 30 knots on the water. So again, tonight we have some snow that comes through the mid-coast down east, best chance for a few inches. Tomorrow we pop into the 30s, but there could be an afternoon snow shower or squall. Colder on Friday with a better chance for a squall coming through during the afternoon. Sunshine, but brutally cold on Saturday, and then we'll watch Sunday night into Monday. I think in southern New England, it's almost a lock they get 6 inches or more of snow. Whether or not that heavier snow is able to make it into northern New England or it's just southern Maine that gets into it, we'll have to see between now and then. And obviously there is a ways to go between now and Sunday night and Monday. I should know, after this storm system, next week it doesn't look like we thaw out at all. It's not going to be as cold as the weekend will be, but it still will be colder than normal.
Still very January cold appropriate.
Right.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.